welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. My name is Vanessa and you're welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a wearable, soft but still very glam Christmas inspired look for your Christmas party, Christmas dinners, and you know, all of that. So let's just get started without much talk. Please make sure to subscribe if you found this video helpful. To quickly do my brows off camera just to save time, because I want this video to be really short and straight to the point. So I'm going to do my brows off camera and I'll come back to start my face with y'all. Okay, so I'm done with my brows. If you guys want me to do a really detailed eyebrow tutorial, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll do one for you guys, or you can check out my Instagram. I'll leave my handle on the screen. Let's move on to the eyes. I'm going to be using this palette from Zikel Cosmetics. It is a Nude Girls Eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like inside. Excuse mine, it's quite used because obviously I use it quite a lot. And these are the colors I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using Zikel, Raw, and Golden Glow. First of all, I'm going to take my concealer, the one I used to clean up my brows, and I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow. Now that is all blended out, I'm going to take the first shade, Zikel. It is a deep brown shade. This is what it looks like over here. Yeah, I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and this other color here, Raw. It's a lighter brown shade. And I'm going to use this to blend out the first brown shade I applied. So this is what it is looking like right now, but I feel like I need some more depth on my outer corners. So I'm going to use this darker brown shade from this Zikel palette as well. I'm using this color here. It's a really deep brown, very deep. So now we are going to cut our crease. I'm not going to do a very sharp or very defined cut crease. I want something really simple and soft, so I'm okay, so now I'm going to apply the Golden Glow shade here. This is a very pretty gold with green with a green undertone. Gosh, I was about to say undertone. With a green undertone. I'm going to pop on some lashes real quick and come back to you guys. First things first, I'm going to use this Zikel Cosmetics 24K Golden Serum to moisturize my skin. Just going to use, I've moisturized already. I just want to add a little bit more moisture to my skin because you know it's dry this period and your skin needs moisture. I'm going to prime with this primer from Rimmel. Can you focus? I just put this on my T-zone area only because it's dry this period and this is where I just get oily. The rest of my face stayed in.
So my forehead, my nose, the top of my cheeks. Yeah, basically.
For foundation, I'm going to be using this foundation from Zikel Cosmetics. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the Pro Matte High Definition Foundation. I'm using the shade 07 Bronze. So this is what I'm just going to use. I really love this foundation. This is my perfect skin tone. Oh my gosh, I didn't know I applied this much.
Way too much.
You guys can see how beautifully the foundation matches my skin. You can see. very obvious. I'm going to contour first before I highlight. I'm using the stick foundation from Makeup Revolution. This is what it looks like. I'm going to highlight my face now with this Zikel concealer. This is the Second Skin HD concealer in the shade Caramel. I'm going to set my under eyes using this Glam Beauty Pro setting powder.
I'm using a fluffy brush because I find that I use less products when I use fluffy brush as opposed to using a...
So this is my face set. I'm going to bake now with the same powder. To use my Zikel Cosmetics powder palette. This is what it looks like. Oops, that's my foundation shade, which is this darkest shade right here, to set my whole face and set my foundation in place. To contour my face now with this face liner kit from Zikel Cosmetics as well. This is what it looks like. I'm taking this really dark.
Okay, I'm just going to set my contour.
Powder brush. I just used to go over the highlighted area. Dark brown. This one I'm going to use to smudge my bottom lash.
You just blow it out.
The Zikel blush palette. This is what it looks like inside. I'm going to take this shade here. This one here. I'm taking my powder brush again to go over everything once more, just to make sure everything is properly blended and seamless. I'm going to set everything in place using the Zikel setting spray. Next, using this loose highlighter from Zikel Cosmetics as well. The label and everything has faded off already, but this is their sparkling glow dust, I think, something like that. That's what it's called. I love this stuff. Like, I've been using this for like almost 2 years now and I've not run out of it. I don't think I've even used up to half of it. It's so shiny, so sparkly. Is lips. We're almost done with our makeup. The last step is lips. I'm using this lip palette from Zikel Cosmetics as well. I'm going to put a link in my description box to Zikel Cosmetics products and how you can get them, or you can hit me up on Instagram if you want any of their products. It's very easy. This is a lip org palette. It is so pretty. It has so many shades. I'm going to be doing a red lip today, which I usually don't do, but I'm going to be doing it today. So first off, I'm going to line my lips with this color called Bite. It's like a dark red shade. this is what my lips look like lined. I feel like it's not dark enough. Let's work with this first. Next, I'm going to take this red shade called Vampire. This is what it looks like. It's a pepper red shade. So this is what I'm going to use next. So this is what it looks like. I feel like my lining is not dark enough, so I'm going to take this black here. This is a black shade. I'm going to take very little bit of it and mix it with this the first shade I used to line. I'm mixing these two shades together. Guys, this is the final look. This is what I'm looking like right now. Nothing screams Christmas like a classic gold eye with red lips, obviously. So this is what we look like right now. I feel like adding a little bit of gloss to these lips. I don't know, you guys. What do you think? I think I'm going to add gloss. This is my lips with gloss. What do you guys think? I feel like it looks so good. This is absolutely stunning. I've never done it. I've never done a red glossy lip before, and this is beautiful. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for staying with me to the end. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment down below, and share to your friends so you guys can slay together for Christmas and even New Year. If you want, you can wear this. This could work for New Year as well. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video.